Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do this makeup look right here. So I did my brows off camera because that takes a really long time. So I probably look really awkward, and honestly I need to do my brows, like actually get them done. It's really hard to do my brows recently. They might look kind of weird, but it's alright. I'm gonna be doing my makeup today using this new Nude palette. I'm gonna start off by using the shade Play right here as a crease color. I set my eyes with concealer, so let's just do that. I just want my eyelids not to crease, so I'm gonna go in quick with this because I didn't set my eyelids with powder. I never do. Shade I'm gonna take is gonna be Teddy in the corner right here. Using a more dense brush, I'm gonna go underneath what I just did. I'm sure to get it on this inner corner here. So I feel like that is all blended. I'm going to take a smaller brush here and dip into the next darkest shade, which is Raw. And focus that on the outer V. So I'm going to take a good amount. Focus that on the outer V and then sweep the rest here. Don't worry, we will blend it once it's all set in there. And then take the bigger blending brush and don't add any product and just blend this all out. I'm gonna go ahead and smoke this out this way a little bit to elongate my eyes. My eyes are freaking shaped weird, so I'd say this helps a lot. Okay, once I feel like that is good, I'm gonna take this little packing brush and go into an even deeper shade called Love Bite and mix it in with Spanked. So mix the two and place it on the exact same spot, just to make it even deeper. Okay, once I feel like this is all blended, I'm going to start by adding some shimmer. I don't want to use the glitter because it just gets really messy, and that's not what I'm going for. So I'm going to take this color called Charmed and focus that on the outer V first. And I am also going to use my finger with this, but I just want to see how it looks with the brush. So I'm focusing this on the outer V. And then I'm going to take the color Fantasy and put that in the middle.
Yeah. Beat to the man. Let's go.
The last shade I'm gonna add is gonna be Crave, which is this goldy shade here. And I'm gonna try to use the brush first.
Shout out to Drizzy. Turn up.
Look, I be up when you call me. Who told you crying was solid? Girl, for free to stop venting this up.
I'm gonna do a wing liner, and I'm using the Target Taste eyeliner. Guys, I am back after eyeliner and putting on lashes. I don't know if you can tell, but they're super natural. They're the Demi Wispies by Ardell. These are the only ones I have right now, which kind of sucks for me, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using the Smashbox Primerizer.
The saddest old girl. Say my name when no one is around.
And then I use about 1-2 pumps if I can get any, because I am running out of foundation. I can't see anything at all, so I hope I'm in focus. And I'm just gonna put this all over my skin. putting least amount on my forehead and on my nose, which is where I tend to look more cakey.
One more time.
Say my name, say my name. Damn, that boy be slacking. Why can't you just move past it? Time for a change. Call you when it's early.
I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my bottom lash line before I do concealer. So basically I'm gonna do exactly what I did. I'm gonna take the lightest shade called Play underneath my lash line, and I'm gonna go heavy handed here and kind of sway this. So I'm putting a lot because this is just my base color, and then going in with this one and this one. I'm just gonna mix the two to make the process go faster.
Did I just potentially ruin?
Do the exact same thing that I did with the glitter. Oh my gosh, the sun's getting super bright. So I'm gonna put this on the outer corner, this one in the middle, and this one in the outer edge and inner tear duct.
Close off one time, baby, you are finally mine. You're finally mine. Yeah, you're finally mine.
What I'm gonna do is add concealer. Born This Way multi-use concealer in shade Golden Beige, and this is my first layer of concealer. And while that is on my face, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour cream kit and take this shade and contour very messily, and then take this shade right here and do the forehead and the top of the cheek, and just place it like that for now. Before I blend some out, I'll do, I guess, a little bit on my nose here. It won't make much of a difference. And under, I like to hit the spot underneath my nose. And then once I let the concealer set a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. I'm gonna go in with this Tarte concealer to highlight even further. This is in the shade light medium, so it's a lot lighter than my skin. Well, not a lot, but it's lighter than my skin tone. Go ahead and put a little bit here, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, and yeah, a little bit here too. Do I look like a queen yet? Honestly, I can't even freaking see myself because the sun is so bright right now. Going in with my powder. Using my powder by Laura Mercier. My Shade and Light palette, I'm gonna contour using these two shades. I'm gonna bronze up using this Makeup Forever Sculpting Duo, just this bronzy shade right here. Remove the powder, so just tap it in the skin, and then be very careful underneath your eyes. And like I said, I like to be glowy, so I'm gonna put Spray Fix Plus. I have my Fix Plus here. Before face dries, I'm gonna use this Dose of Color highlighter. Look at this freaking highlighter. Last but not least, I'm gonna get some blush, and I'm gonna be using this Luminoso by Milani. Just a little bit, just to make myself look even more glowy, and a little bit on my nose here, just because I like a pink touch. Hey, we look bomb. Almost done. I'm gonna add bottom mascara using this one right here. bottom mascara and then just add some at the top. And then final lips here, I'm gonna use right here. It's also by Those Up Colors. It's in the shade Aftermath. And I'm just gonna kind of tap it on my lips and use my finger to spread it out. Last thing is Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I love my glosses. And I am running out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.